My name is David Taumoe'anga and I work at Citycare. After leaving school, I didn't do anything. I was just staying at home. I wasn't really organised with things. Didn't really care about my life after school.
Ko David ko lai tahi whanau e tō tata. Ko ne tupu hake ku piki tamasi pena nanak piki au ke ako ma wako bei. Pek alma piki he lotu o whetau laki e mo vave ko OCA. O hanga e vave o whawhiloa ke ai ako ko ke au ke. Pea whi alo David ki ai pa. Haolewa vita talamaiga au peo fie ke aluai.
Found out about OCA. I was introduced to it by a friend from church. Vave, he's a tutor there. He was just telling me about a course for young Pacific Islanders and that they can have a brighter future instead of just waiting till they're older. I just thought it was good and that's why I joined it. They still pushed me to keep going and that's what I liked about it, just the encouragement from the staff there.
My role with Watercare is that we have a preferred local maintenance contractor, so I just reached out to OCA and I asked him whether he had any CVs, students he thought were appropriate, they can fill the roles, and they had a discussion. David came in, had an interview, and the key thing that made David an outstanding candidate during the interview stage was just his willingness and his attitude.
Usually I'm really nervous, shy. My boss, he was real calm with me, and as you probably saw that I was calm too.
Yeah, I found David awesome. He was one of those guys that really fitted into the team straight away. It didn't take much time to sort of train him, and he picked up very fast. He's currently working on combo trucks. So combo trucks are used for cleaning and doing hydro excavation. So they basically clean wastewater pipes and stormwater pipes obviously as well, and they also dig holes without using digger equipment. Basically it uses high pressure water to do so.
First day I got to work in the big trucks because we work with big trucks, and that was my first time going in a truck and just buzzing out when I was inside because I'd never been in something high. I was like, I don't know, I was just happy the whole time, but I actually like this job because I got to do everything, and our team is awesome. We've got a good team, good bosses too. And just the bond is great.
And it's a good reminder for students out there that you can always teach someone the job at hand, but if you've got a willingness and a good attitude to learn those skills, it goes a long way, and you'll be able to progress quite quickly and well in whatever career you get yourself into.
Definitely has opportunities in front of him. He's showing all the right stuff to basically lead towards that sort of future. And for David, we'll look to enrol him on his level 3 as soon as possible, which means at the end of that he's more opportunities to earn more money obviously, and long-term qualifications that he can use anywhere in the industry.
I'm confident of everything now. Yeah, I feel my future is still coming, but my future will be good here. So I love this job, so it's good.